Hey everybody, this is Larry. I'm doing this problem as part of a contest, so you're gonna watch me live as I go through my dots as I'm coding. There'll be an explanation near the end, and for more context, there'll be a link below on the actual screencast of the contest. How did you do? Let me know how you do. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and here we go. First problem, consecutive characters. So yeah, this seems pretty straightforward. Even reading it, I was just making sure the way they phrased this problem was a little bit odd. So I was just like double checking that um, that I understood it. Um, but otherwise, it was straightforward. And I was like, okay, let's crank it out. Basically, you just keep track of how many consecutive characters you get, and then you take the max of that. Um, Things that I guess I've done this enough times because I basically use Python zip, which allows me to look at adjacent characters one at a time. And yeah, I was just double checking or thinking about the count is equal to one or it should be equal to zero. But yeah, and also I have to reset if it's not the same. And then that's pretty much it. I think I submit right after this. So cool. I was so careful. Consecutive characters. Yeah, for this one, it's pretty straightforward. It's just counting how many consecutive characters or the max number of consecutive characters. You could do this in a number of ways, but as long as you keep it in linear, and you don't even have to keep it in linear, it seems like. Just check to see how many adjacent characters are together, and there you go. And take the max of that, and yeah. And this is my code. I did in a couple of, not that many lines. The zip basically allows me to count consecutive characters, and I've actually done similar problems enough times that for whatever reason that I was pretty confident about this one. So yeah.